Here's an RV lifestyle tip for you. Are you confused at all the different types of oats that you can find in the store? There's steel cut and old fashioned and quick cooking. Well, they all start with the same oat kernel or oat groat. It's how it's processed that makes them different. I'll start with the least processed type, which is the steel cut oats. Now these oats have just been cut into pieces with a large steel blade. They're coarser, chewier, and nuttier than the other oats. They take longer to cook, but you can reduce the cook time by soaking them. Next are rolled oats, or old-fashioned oats as we know them. Now these are oat groats that are steamed and then flattened. They have a milder flavor and a softer texture, and they take a lot less time to cook than steel-cut oats since they've been partially cooked with the steaming process. They come in regular thickness or extra thick. And finally, there are quick cooking oats. Now these oats are partially cooked by steaming like the old-fashioned oats, but they're rolled even thinner so they cook really fast. Sometimes they're called instant. They have a mild flavor and a soft, mushy texture. So now you know more about the different types of oats available in the store. Generally, most baked goods use old-fashioned oats or the quick cooking oats, so avoid using the steel-cut oats in a recipe unless steel-cut are called for. Regardless of which types of oats you choose to eat, they're a healthy superfood that's a great way to get more fiber and nutrients into your diet. Let me know how you like your oats in the comments below.